Hello world! I will share with you some tips on how to make your business online a successful one. Enjoy watching. Always build a strong online presence to create a large network. Create quality contents to attract more viewers. Learn the basics of search engine optimization to improve the visibility of your contents. Diversify income streams to earn more. Invest in education to gain technical skills, like improving the quality of your contents and having different ideas to grow your business. Create a network to maintain and strengthen your business. Be patient and persistent to continue doing your passion. Have a customer-focused business so that they will continue to patronize your products and services. Consider legal compliance to continue doing your online business.
Thank you, my future shines so bright.